In this video, I'm going to show you two super easy methods to turn off safe mode on your iPhone. If your iPhone is stuck in safe mode or acting weird, don't worry. Just follow this guide step by step. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. Quick fix. The first and easiest method is simply restarting your iPhone. Here's what you need to do. Press and hold the power button plus volume button. Slide to power off. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. Turn your iPhone back on. In most cases, safe mode turns off automatically after a normal restart. Method 2. Remove problematic apps or tweaks. If safe mode keeps coming back, it usually means a faulty app or system tweak is causing the issue. Try this. Go to Settings, tap General, open iPhone Storage. Look for recently installed apps. Delete any suspicious or newly installed apps. After removing them, restart your iPhone again. This should fix the safe mode issue completely. And that's it. These are the two easiest ways to turn off safe mode on iPhone.